breathe. Put the fire down and let it cool to be like this. These are ice cubes. Nata the cocoa. I like it. These are fruits: mango, jackfruit, papaya, melon, dragon fruit, and watermelon. Last, this is milk sweet cream. Okay guys, let's make it. First, take a bowl. Then add the fruits. I want dragon fruit, jackfruit, melon, mango, watermelon, papaya. Do you like fruit, guys? I like it. Yummy. Delicious. Nata the cocoa. Add ice cube. Cool. Add liquid sugar. Finally, add the milk sweet cream. And done! Guys, we will taste. Yummy! So delicious. For watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye! Thank you for watching, guys.